Welcome back once again. Myself Pranshul Kumar Pathak. Dear friend, I'm really very happy to share with you that some of us students really very good in their examination. So several students ask me what is the expected cutoff and all. So before going into the discussion of section A, I want to tell one of the student Rishi had commented me on my email that sir, today I got that much mark. So first of all I want to congratulate you. You are, I think you already qualified JRF according to me, but just wait for DBT approval. Okay, so dear friend, expected cutoff I will discuss it a lot. So another student is Joel. He is from Kerala, and really I am really happy for him also because he did really very good, and he scored 214. But dear Joy, you can challenge a question that you have mentioned. I will tell you why in this video also. So first of all I want to congratulate both of you for your JRF, and you are getting your JRF because the expected cutoff, maybe several students also will get JRF, but I'm damn sure for both of you because more than 200 is never going to expected cutoff for DBT JRF 2020. So happy for all of you. So this is somehow expected cutoff for unreserved category, that is 195 to 200. Approximately you can, if you have 190, then also you can consider you will got DBT JRF in category 1. ओके, सो कैटेगरी 1 के लिए मैं लिस्ट यहाँ पे दिया हूँ. कैटेगरी 2 इससे और थोड़ा सा नीचे जाएगा. सो कैटेगरी 2 में जाने का मतलब क्या है और कैटेगरी 1 क्या है. सबसे पहले आप ये समझो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन कैटेगरी 1 एंड कैटेगरी 2. सो डियर फ्रेंड, DBT JRF is in two category 1 and category 2. So category 2 is only for DBT JRF funded projects. You can join DBT funded projects in several institutes and universities, and if you are going to qualify category 1, then you will get as other agencies is giving, just CSIR, ICMR and other agency will give that amount of money. You will also got that amount of money from DBT JRF. Okay, so after DBT JRF you will have the 31,000 for JRF, and after 2 years of your JRF you will promoted to SRF, and after promotion, after your SRF, you will have 35,000 of stipend, that your fellowship will increase by 35,000. Okay, plus HRA according to your city. If you are in metropolitan city, then you will have 24% of HRA, and if you are in general normal city, you will have 16% of your HRA. Okay, so this is somehow your basic view. So expected cutoff for general category is never going to increase by 190. Here it is written 195. So I will tell you, if you have 190, maybe you will clear DBT JRF in category 1. So EWS category के लिए somehow 5 to 10 marks का margin होगा. So that will lie between 185 to 195 as like that. So ऐसे होगा. So this is the expected cutoff marks. So dear friend, if you have that much score, then you are really going to qualify your DBT JRF. But if somehow आपके marks कम हैं, if your marks is not lying between this given chart, then don't worry about that. We have another examination that is called as CSIR JRF within 1 month or 2 months. So dear friend, I will suggest you to focus on that rather than wasting your time and just telling that I am not getting DBT JRF and so and so forth. So basically why I am discussing about that, because several students called me and I really feel very bad for them, because every student is really trying a lot for his JRF or her JRF, but it is really very important for all of us to respect your, you have did a lot of job for your CSIR JRF or preparation or either any other JRF. You have did lot of job for your preparation, but it's okay. Sometime you have to consolidate yourself that it's okay, better luck next attempt. So हारना नहीं है, वो इंसान क्या जाने हार का हाल जो कभी चढ़ा ही नहीं। चढ़ाई जब चढ़ता है तो वही आदमी गिरता है, कि जो आदमी चढ़ा ही नहीं वो गिरने का क्या भय। तो आप अगर एग्जामिनेशन दे रहे हो तो वन डे यू विल ऑन द पिक। ओके, हो सकता है इस बार नहीं हुआ, वी विल गिव द नेक्स्ट टाइम, नेक्स्ट टाइम, नेक्स्ट टाइम। एक बार तो आएगा जब हम अपने शिखर पे आएंगे। तो यही मन में रखते हुए हम लोगों को आगे की तरफ सोचना है। जो भी हो गया ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, वी विल डू जॉब टुगेदर एंड वी विल ट्राई टू इम्प्रूव वेयर वी आर रॉन्ग, हम कहाँ गलती किए, वी विल ट्राई टू कंसोलिडेट एंड वी विल again with lot of energy we will again try and we will bounce back again into the field। अपने अंदर का जो आग है ना उसे जिंदा रखो, क्योंकि ये जब मर जाएगा ना तो सही में तुम मर जाओगे। क्योंकि जिस दिन अपने अंदर की आग बंद हो गई ना, you will never going to do anything। so अपने अंदर की आग जो पोटेंशियल है, try to show your potential, this is the right time to boost yourself and bounce back for CSIR JRF। for all my best wishes I want to tell you guys that it's really very good time for all of us। okay, so one of the student the named Joy, he told me that sir please suggest me about this question। so dear friend, this question is really wrong, you are right, you have opted second option, you are correctly all right, because let me tell you one thing, what is nonsense mutation? If it is silent mutation, or if it is nonsense, if it is a missense mutation, maybe beta galactosidase can express, but when it is a nonsense mutation, let me tell you the story of nonsense mutation। what is nonsense mutation? Nonsense mutation means there is a stop code, if UGA, UAA or other any stop code will come in between your gene, then the gene will disrupt out, then the function of that particular gene is aborted। what is the meaning of that? Let's suppose your gene of interest is that much, suppose this is your LAC G gene, okay, this is LAC G gene, and suppose that there is a mutation, अब समझो कि यहाँ पे C is replaced by U, UAG। suppose what will happen, this protein is truncated, now your protein is not going to give the functional protein, how beta galactosidase mRNA will produce? if it is not possible, it is not able to express beta galactosidase in the presence of lactose or absence in lactose। so these all options are really, according to me, you are right, but bet for the response, you can challenge there, because according to me I really approach other students from CSR and BRI also, our colleagues, so they also suggested me, like Amit sir and Somnath sir have suggested me that yeah, of course this question is wrong। so मैंने discuss किया, then I come to conclude that this question is really must be reviewed by DBT-JRF revising committee, they can approve that, and maybe you will got marks for that also। so thank you so much for watching this, we will continue into the next video। so thanks to watching this part of expected cutoff marks। so dear guys, I want to tell you, just focus on next examination rather than wasting your time। thank you so much for watching, we will see you soon into the next video। तब तक के लिए bye, take care, have a nice day।